Hello everyone. I just made a video and realized that it was not recording. It recorded 2 seconds. So I'm not sure what happened, but I'm here to help Teri celebrate 2,000 subscribers to her channel. So please be sure and check out her channel. Go give her congratulations and check out everyone who was helping along. So way back when I was first started scrapbooking, I started to question myself, so I went to a beginner scrapbooking class at a local scrapbook store in Arlington, Texas. I brought these photos of my daughter. I started scrapbooking in the beginning of 2003, and this was August 2001. So I guess I learned some page design, but there was no embellishing, although I have some embellishments that I never use. They're in the pocket. I hand wrote this title. Crazy. So anyway, I want to redo these photos and redo the layout. So I went through all the photos, and I think one of the reasons I have procrastinated is there's just so many. Like, these are the ones I'm not going to use. I got doubles and triples. But so what I did is I divided them up for this party: water balloon, slip and slide, cake, presents, family. Here's one. She actually shared a birthday party with another little girl. So there's a photo of the two of them. And then I have a few that are questionable. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. So I think breaking it down into categories, basically pages, will help me. So I am scrapbooking Teri, and I'm going to try to put her layout up above. If not, I'll have it either at the beginning or the end. But she basically has a vertical strip of paper here, and then 3 photos that go across this way. Hers are vertical photos. Now these end up being horizontal. I just cut them down to 3x4 from 4x6. So my photos are going to go a different way. I'm going to focus on using my kit. I added a few more things to it. But I think this will work. So let me pause you and get started. Okay, so I have made some decisions. I went ahead and cut this really old paper at 4 inches, and then I took some of the strips I had shown you and I put them on either side. Now, even though I'm trying to work through them, I could not waste it right here. Just couldn't. Here I just decided to lift this actual photo up. It's the best photo of my daughter, and I'm probably going to put it somewhere around in here. I like the flamingo paper, and I did just decide to ink the edges just to give it a little bit more definition. Now Teri has like the pennant flags, the bunting, whatever you want to call it, up here, and this flag was orange, and I actually took the time to cover it with some of this paper, and it was going to go here. But then I don't know, I decided I wanted to do something like this, so I did go ahead and glue it down. Looks like it needs a little bit more glue. Oh, and I decided to ink the edges after I had it all glued down, so that was fun. But this top one is a sticker, and the rest are just paper scraps. All right, and then let me show you what else. So I used a die set I got from, let's see if I can find it real quick. It was like a free thing from of course I'm not gonna be able to find it, but it was from scrapbook.com, Here it is. And it just says fun in the sun. And so I think I got it for free with an order. I'd never used it. So I just decided to use that. I used the tag die from Keep It Simple. And so that is going to be the title. So I'm using this as a cluster. This is a cluster. Pretty proud of myself for using this ribbon. This is from 2006, TLC, Top Line Creations. I've asked before if anyone recognizes that company. Let me know. This was the company I was with way back when. And they went out of business. Like, closed the doors. Okay, then I used a circle nesting die, mostly because I don't have a circle punch that big. So I'm just trying to get the colors in each of the clusters. My main colors are the pink and then this aqua, but I have the pop of yellow and a little bit of this navy. So here I've got navy, navy, navy. I've got hot pink, hot pink, hot pink, yellow, yellow, yellow. So it's kind of what I'm thinking. I've popped up the sunglasses. So let's see, do I want the, and I gotta have the flamingo since we have the flamingo there. Let's see. And when I'm done, I'll show you what other stickers I pulled and decided not to use. Like that. Okay. And this back side of the flamingo are these bikinis, and those are cute too. There were a lot of options. Lot of options. All right. So, another layout that I've made without buying a single new thing. Makes me happy. See, and I don't mind overlapping the photo here. All right, I might put a glue dot under here just so that will lay down. It probably will lay down anyway in a page protector. And I really don't think I'm gonna do any journaling because this is just one layout in a series of layouts for this birthday party. I did find this flare. It's probably from Yes Please Paper Crafts. Isn't it super cute? I think I'm going to end up using it on another layout. I want to show you some of the other stickers I pulled for this layout. Let's see, I thought about using the swimsuit, the flip-flops, and then I pulled two different cameras, I'm not sure why. And then the tickets, but they will work for another layout. And I keep thinking this would be cute somewhere. Would that be better than the glasses? Can I get these glasses up? Let's see. Ooh, it wants to tear right here. Let's see. Okay. put that on the wax. What do you think? Let me think about it. Please check everyone else playing along and celebrating with Teri, and go check out her channel and see what she is giving away for this huge celebration. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.